Meet the Lefant M3L robot vacuum cleaner. Slimmer, smarter, and designed to go where other robots can't. At just 320 millimeters wide and 97 millimeters tall, it glides easily under sofas, beds, and low furniture, reaching dust and dirt that bulkier vacuums often miss. The M3L is a true 3-in-1 cleaning system. In a single pass, it sweeps, vacuums, and mops, saving you time while delivering spotless floors. One of its standout features is the V-shaped brush design. By centralizing dust and hair while using dual comb teeth, it prevents tangling and ensures smooth, efficient cleaning. No more messy hair wraps to deal with. For mopping, the dual liftable spinning mops adjust pressure intelligently, scrubbing through tough stains whether on glossy tiles or textured surfaces. And with automatic rinsing, the M3L keeps its mop pads fresh and ready for the next task. Carpet owners will love the smart cleaning tips in the Lefant app. You can fine-tune cleaning strategies depending on your carpet's material and your own preferences. Maintenance is practically effortless thanks to the all-in-one cleaning station. It automates dust collection, mop washing, and natural air drying. Unlike hot air systems that can deform mop pads or damage hardwood floors, Lefant's cool air drying is safer and more reliable, and over 90% of users prefer it. Navigation is another strong point. The 190-degree ultra-wide DTOF laser system gives the M3L precision obstacle detection, even in low light. It avoids collisions, eliminates blind spots, and ensures complete coverage for every cleaning cycle. With multi-level mapping, it can automatically detect and store maps for up to 3 floors, while 360-degree LiDAR navigation ensures precise path planning, room-by-room customization, and effective cleaning, even in the dark. You can even control it hands-free with voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. Just say the word and the M3L gets to work. And with its upgraded battery, the Lefant M3L delivers up to 240 minutes of continuous cleaning, making it ideal for larger homes or extended cleaning sessions without interruption. So what's the verdict? The Lefant M3L is slim, powerful, and smartly designed for modern households. From anti-tangle technology and intelligent mopping to hands-free maintenance and precise navigation, it's a robot vacuum that truly adapts to your home and lifestyle. If you're looking for a reliable, low-maintenance cleaning partner, the Lefant M3L deserves a spot on your shortlist.